In today's video, I'll teach you how to add graduated live event post on Facebook. First of all, launch open Facebook on your device. You can see over here Facebook has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to add the graduated live event post, it is actually very simple. At top, you'll be able to find this option for what's on your mind. If you tap on it, you'll be able to create a post. So simply tap on this option. Now after you do that, you can see over here you'll be able to create a new post. If you look at bottom, you'll be able to find the option for gallery, GIF, live event and live. What you have to do is tap on this option live event that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll have to select a category. You'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on the option education that you can see at second. Now once you do that, you'll be able to find three options: new school, graduated, left school. Tap on this option graduated that you can see at second. Now you can see over here you'll have to add a school. Simply tap on the field of add a school. Now you'll be able to select the school over here. Type in the school name and you'll be able to see the options. Tap on the option of your choice. Likewise, you can also select the school type and date over here. After you do that, tap on the next option that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here you can also enter the caption if you want. Now after you're done, what you have to do is tap on this option post that you can see on the screen. Now wait for a while. Now you can see over here your post was shared. So like this you'll be able to add the graduated live event post. So that is how you add graduated live event post on Facebook. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.